Hello and welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about web optimization enhancement in version 9.1. Let's talk about new key features in web optimization. We have made few changes in UI UX under web optimization section. Now we have provided facility to individually optimize the images using section specific optimize button. Also, we have introduced three new sections: size additional option attribute, content images, and website logo. Let's have a look into the admin side. Go to store configuration, click on site setting, and here you will see the web optimization tab. So in this, we have given two changes in UI UX. First is we have given section a specific image optimize button, and second, we have introduced three new section to optimize images, that is size additional option attribute, content images, and website logo. So when you click on optimize button for size additional option attribute on the front store, size additional option image will optimize. Same goes for content image. When you click on optimize button for content images on the front store, content images will optimize. And the last one, when you click on optimize button for website logo on the front store, website logo image will optimize. Thank you for watching this video. Do let us know in case of any queries and concern. We would be more than happy to assist you further. Have a great day.